Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make maple snickerdoodles. For the ingredients, you'll need some softened butter, some granulated sugar, you'll need some brown sugar, some pure maple syrup, I just have Mrs. Butterworth, vanilla extract, an egg, some baking soda, all-purpose flour, this is my 50-pound bag. You'll need some cinnamon, some cream of tartar, and some salt. To start, you're going to want to take a large mixing bowl and take 3/4 a cup of the softened butter, 3/4 a cup of granulated sugar, and then you're also going to want 1/4 a cup of brown sugar. And then you're just going to want to mix until all combined. Something I like to do is stop every so often and go ahead and scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure everything gets incorporated well. Next step is to add 1/4 a cup of the maple syrup, two teaspoons vanilla extract, and then add in your egg. And then we're just going to want to beat it until it's well combined. At this point, we're going to move the wet ingredients to the side and grab a new mixing bowl for the dry ingredients. You will also want to grab a sifter. You're going to want to add 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and then 2 1/4 a cup all-purpose flour. And then you're just going to want to sift those ingredients together. Next, you're going to want to slowly incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix as you go. Now we're going to cover the dough and put it in the fridge to chill for at least an hour.
One hour later.
We're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to start lining some baking sheets with parchment paper. It's now time to make the cinnamon sugar coating. All you need is 1/4 a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, and just mix it together. I'm going to take a medium scoop and measure out the dough balls to make sure they're a uniform size to each other. If you don't have a scoop, you can freehand about 1½ inch dough balls. Since I did use a scoop, I'm going to roll out and make sure the dough is more of a ball shape. And then I'm going to roll it into the cinnamon sugar mixture until fully coated. Make sure the dough is about 2 inches apart on the cookie sheet. And then bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the tops have cracked and the cookies are set.
10 minutes later.
Once the cookies are out of the oven, if any of them have spread into each other, I usually just take a metal cookie spatula and just spread them apart. I'll usually just cut them apart a little bit and then move them to the side. It usually works well that way. These are very soft and chewy cookies. It makes about 24 of them. With that being said, you just have to repeat the steps until the dough is gone. Let me know if there's any more cookie recipes you want me to make in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I will be making more videos soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!